I'm Morgan, studying an FD in policing, and I'm at Llandrillo College.
I'm Lauren, I'm studying policing and at here on this campus, Coleg Llandrillo.
I came to this college because it was more convenient for me to come. It was closer by, allowed me to stay at home, keep on working, just more convenient.
The reason I chose to come here was because it was closer to home. Definitely was the best choice I made.
I think we both became special constables in North Wales Police in May.
Yep.
So that's, and of course, definitely helped us achieve to get to this point we're at now.
We applied last year, I think it was towards Christmas, to become special constables in North Wales Police. We had to take several interviews and assessment centres, and obviously the tutors helped us achieve that. We wouldn't be where we are today, with our confidence in being out on the beat. And the practicals that we do in college, puts things, it gives us a better picture of what we do, and yeah.
We particularly enjoyed practical sessions, sort of practical way of learning. We've done sort of stop search practicals. We're going to be doing vehicle search practicals, defect practicals. It's just an easier way for us to learn.
And we did statement taking last year, pocket notebook entries. We've got an exam coming up very soon, suspect statements and interviews. It just gives us a better picture of what we'll be facing when we go out, doing things full time when we hopefully do.
Yeah. It's definitely helped me grow more as a person, sort of build my confidence a lot more, sort of able to approach people better, which is especially helpful with being in the police.
Yeah, so I've definitely built up my confidence, like Morgan said. It's helped me in many ways. I wouldn't be where I am today without the support I've had here. It's just developed me as a person as well. Definitely feel much more confident and comfortable going out now than what I probably would have if I hadn't been on this course. So yeah, it's definitely helped us in many ways.
After the course, hope maybe continue to do the third year down in Preston, or it's a 2-year thing from home, or go straight into applying for either to be a regular constable or a PCSO.
My plans are to apply for the third year in Chester part-time, but I've not definitely put that set in stone yet. I will be applying hopefully for the regulars as soon as possible in the next intake, and then if I'm not successful on that intake, then I'm going to think about doing my third year. Definitely, when you compare it to a large university, for example Liverpool or Chester, you don't get the benefit of one-to-ones as often as you'd like, whereas you get the opportunity to do it weekly. You also get the opportunity to put drafts in, whereas you wouldn't get that in a university. And we always get given time and deadlines. I know you perhaps get that in universities as well, but you work better with the tutors, and it's just easier to get the work done. You know where you stand.
Yeah, you build a better relationship with tutors. You know everybody in your class, so it just makes things a lot easier. If you need help, just go to anybody instead of sort of wafting about thinking, oh, who can I talk to? Also, with the days, because a lot of bigger universities, they sort of will have them spread out. They'd have maybe 2-hour session in the morning, then nothing until 4 o'clock, whereas here you do maybe 3 full days, and then you've got, say, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday off to do essays, do work, anything like that.
You get the opportunity to also stay in contact with your tutors and our class colleagues as well. We've got like group chats, and we're always in contact. We won't go anywhere without each other. We've definitely built a really good relationship by being in this college rather than going to uni.